The universe is always in motion. Planets orbit stars, moons orbit planets, and sometimes their paths align in spectacular ways. From Earth, these alignments create breathtaking spectacles, none more captivating than a solar eclipse. On September 22, 2025, New Zealand awoke to a rare partial solar eclipse, the first in over a decade. As the sun rose, a bite appeared in its edge, the moon's silhouette crossing the solar disk. Though not a total eclipse, the event was no less magical for early risers and sky watchers. The moon covered only part of the sun, but the sight was a vivid reminder of the solar system's clockwork. Such events are rare for any one place. For many Kiwis, it was their first time seeing an eclipse from home. The precise alignment needed for the moon's shadow to touch New Zealand is a matter of cosmic chance. For a brief moment, the country shared a collective sense of awe, looking up and contemplating the vastness beyond our sky. These fleeting alignments remind us we're passengers on a moving planet, part of a much grander dance. The rarity made it precious, a shared experience that united generations. For New Zealand, it was a morning to remember. To understand what New Zealand witnessed, think of shadows. The moon, illuminated by the sun, casts a long shadow into space. Most months, this shadow misses Earth, but when the orbits align, the shadow sweeps across us, creating a solar eclipse. On that September morning, the eclipse unfolded as the sun rose, giving viewers a crescent sun against the dawn. The event began with the moon's edge touching the sun, then slowly covering more of its face. In New Zealand, only the penumbra, the lighter part of the moon's shadow, passed over, so the sun was never fully hidden. The progression was gradual, offering a 2-hour window to observe the cosmic ballet. The eclipse's slow reveal allowed people to truly appreciate the steady, predictable motion of the heavens. The combination of a rising sun and the moon's shadow made for a dramatic, unforgettable sight. It was a lesson in light, shadow, and the beauty of celestial mechanics. For many, it was a rare chance to witness the universe's precision in real time. Not all eclipse views were equal. Southern New Zealand had the best seat. The further south you went, the more dramatic the bite out of the sun. The South Island, especially Canterbury and Otago, enjoyed the deepest eclipse and the most stunning backdrops. Cities like Christchurch and Dunedin and towns along the coast were perfectly positioned for the show. Clear skies in much of the South Island made the spectacle even more memorable. From the Mackenzie Basin's dark skies to the Otago coast, the views were breathtaking. In places like Twizel, the crescent sun rose above the Southern Alps, creating unforgettable panoramas. Along the coast, the partially eclipsed sun cast a silvery light over the Pacific. For South Islanders, it was more than an astronomical event. It was a unique interplay of light, shadow, and landscape. The South Island truly had the front row seat, and the show did not disappoint. The eclipse experience was split by weather, clear in the south, cloudy in the north. While the South Island basked in perfect conditions, much of the North Island was shrouded in cloud. In cities like Auckland and Wellington, the eclipse was hidden behind a grey curtain. Some eastern regions like Hawke's Bay and Wairarapa caught fleeting glimpses through thin clouds. For those lucky few, the brief sight of the crescent sun was magical. The contrast highlighted a truth of skywatching. The universe's best shows depend on both cosmic and earthly alignments. Disappointment in the north was matched by joy in the south, a reminder that weather is the ultimate gatekeeper. The story of the eclipse became one of both celestial wonder and meteorological luck. Eclipses have a way of bringing people together. Across New Zealand, especially in clear sky regions, communities gathered to share the moment. On Stewart Island, a public viewing at Half Moon Bay became a festive fundraiser, blending cosmic wonder with local spirit. Neighbors, families, and strangers bonded over the shared experience, equipped with eclipse glasses and warm breakfasts. Photography clubs, amateur astronomers, and families set up side by side, united in awe. The event was more than just sky watching. It was a celebration of community and curiosity. Whether in large gatherings or small groups, the eclipse created memories and connections that would last. The dimmed sun became a symbol of togetherness and wonder. In the digital age, witnessing an eclipse means capturing it. Photographers across the South Island sought the perfect shot: crescent sun, dawn colors, and iconic landscapes. Solar filters and careful planning were essential to safely photograph the event. The resulting images, from snowy peaks to shimmering seas, quickly spread online, sharing the experience with those who missed it. Each photo was a blend of science and art, documenting a moment that would soon vanish. For many, these images became treasured mementos. For others, inspiration to catch the next eclipse. The photographs ensured the wonder of the morning would not be forgotten. They became a visual legacy of the moon's shadow over Aotearoa. As the moon's shadow slipped away, daylight returned, but the sense of wonder lingered. Witnessing a solar eclipse, even a partial one, connects us to the vast mechanics of the universe. For a few hours, thousands paused to look up, united by a silent, beautiful event. The eclipse made everyday concerns seem small, reminding us of our place in the cosmos. It sparked curiosity, inspired questions, and became a living lesson in science for all ages. Teachers, families, and community groups used the event to foster learning and appreciation for the natural world. The 2025 eclipse was a fleeting chapter in New Zealand's cosmic story, leaving behind photos, memories, and renewed wonder. As we look ahead to future celestial events, we're reminded to pause, look up, and marvel at the universe's silent dance. The eclipse was more than a spectacle. It was a powerful reminder of the beauty and mystery above us. Sometimes the best way to understand our world is simply to watch the sky.